Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you are wanting to stock up on laundry products and you want to save a lot of money in the process, you are most definitely in the right spot. In today's deal video, I'm going to go over 10 really easy to do laundry supplies couponing deals that you're going to be able to do at Dollar General this Saturday, December 7th to stock up for super cheap. Now, if you could do me a quick favor, show this deal video some love. I would greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment down below, like the deal video, and definitely make sure you share this deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there. That way I can make sure I get these deals out to them and they can save money too. Now, for this first couponing deal, we're going to stock up on one of my favorite items, especially for the cold and flu season. It is OdoBan. I don't know if you've ever tried this product, but it is phenomenal. I use multiple different versions of it. Dollar General sells a lot of them, which is pretty awesome. But one of my favorites is the gallon size bottles. They're concentrated, so they're going to last you a really long time. And this particular one is good for laundry, which is pretty awesome. So for this one, you're going to grab 1 gallon of the OdoBan fresh linen gallon size for $10. 2 of the 4-count packs of Energizer batteries, they are $5 each. And finally, 1 of the Colgate 360 toothbrushes for $6.35. Hands down, one of my favorite coupons this week. It's such a high value coupon. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.35 plus tax for a 57% off savings. And not bad. I mean, we're paying just a little more than the full price of the OdoBan alone, and we're getting 2 packs of batteries for free and a toothbrush. Oh, yes, please. What would a laundry supplies coupon deal video be without me trying to teach you to stock up on laundry pods, and specifically the really big containers? I love stocking up on these, and bonus, if you save the containers and take off the labels, you can repurpose them and put a battery operated light on the inside, and they make some super cute little jack-o'-lanterns for the fall season. I've been hoarding them for a good minute. I'm going to line them all up on my porch. It's going to be so pretty. I'll make sure I share a photo. But for this next deal, grab 1 container of Tide Pods. Now, this is the one that is $15.95. 1 Airwick oil warmer and 1 of the Skintimate razors for $6. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $8.95 plus tax for a super fantastic 66% off savings. I mean, I'm going to say it again. We're paying almost half of the retail value of the Tide Pods, and we're getting some other stuff free. These are some of my favorite couponing deals. This next coupon deal makes me flash back to when I first started doing LoveLiveSave, or actually, correction, the year before I hurt my back. Do y'all remember when I was always trying to scout out the coupons for the big bottles of the Downy and the Gain fabric softener? Oh, those were the good days. I haven't seen that Gain coupon in forever. I hope they bring it back. But in this next coupon deal, grab 1 of the $10.95 size bottles of Downy fabric softener, 1 bottle of Downy scent booster beads for $5, 2 packs of the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes. This is definitely something I like stocking up on in my laundry room because it helps you get the stains out. Super handy. And then grab 1 single count pack of Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.60 plus tax for a 59% off savings. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know my deep love of the True Living Oxy cleaners. It's always such a tongue twister for me. I got these completely on accident a couple years ago when I needed OxyClean and my store was completely sold out. And I found this instead, and it did such a phenomenal job at deep cleaning my husband's tennis shoes. It worked just as good, and it's a fraction of the price. So whenever I can get some high value coupons like we have this week, I like to try and stock up on it. And truthfully, I'm almost out. I don't know how it happened, but I'm almost out. So in this one, grab 2 tubs of the True Living Oxy Cleaners, 1 box of Gain dryer sheets for $4.50. Make sure you get that size. Grab 1 Airwick oil warmer and 2 packs of the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $10.65 plus tax for a 58% off savings. Moving on. If you have a little one in your house and you want to stock up on Dreft laundry detergent, first off, you know how expensive this stuff is. And I am super surprised that we are still getting these high value coupons for it, since a lot of our other coupons have dropped in value. Ugh, I'm over it. But we still have a really good one. So if you want to stock up, this is a really great time to do that. Now, grab 1 bottle of Downy Scent Booster Beads, 1 bottle of the Snuggle Fabric Softener for $4, 1 bottle of Dreft laundry detergent. Side note, has anyone seen the bigger bottles of Dreft at their Dollar Generals? I've always wondered if they started selling that size. If you've seen it, let me know down below in the comments. And then finally, grab 1 pack of Skintimate razors. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $9.95 plus tax for a super easy 61% off savings. Our next couple of coupon deals are really going to be beneficial if you're like me and you've been trying to substitute some of your cleaning supplies to include items that have less chemicals. And white vinegar is definitely a staple in my house. I use it for a fabric softener substitute. I use it in my handmade cleaners I use for my multi-surface. It's an awesome item to keep in your stockpile. So the next two couponing deals are going to help you to stock up. So in this one, grab 2 bottles of the gallon size Clover Valley white vinegar, 1 Febreze plug-in booster, 1 Colgate 360 toothbrush, and finally 1 of the Febreze Small Spaces single count packs. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.30 plus tax for a 61% off savings. Then next up, our other deal to stock up on the Clover Valley White Vinegar also stocks up on some of my other favorite laundry products. Definitely the hydrogen peroxide, a super awesome stain remover. Honestly, the Skintimate razors, because I still use them for getting those little beads off your edges of your clothes, especially like sweatpants. Super handy. And then obviously the Dreft laundry detergent. So grab 1 gallon size bottle of the Clover Valley white vinegar, 2 of these 16 ounce size bottles of hydrogen peroxide, 1 pack of Skintimate razors, 1 bottle of Dreft laundry detergent, and finally 1 pack of those Energizer battery 4-count packs. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $11.65 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Not bad when you consider 3 of the items in this deal we didn't even have coupons for. This reminds me of what I always used to tell y'all. Just because you don't have a coupon for something does not mean you still can't score a great deal on it. You just got to get a little creative and work into couponing deals with some higher value coupons to lower your out of pocket. Now, we might not have a lot of coupons for the Scent Booster Beads, but you best believe I'm going to try and incorporate it as often as I can, especially in a laundry deals video. So in this one, grab 1 of the smaller size bottles of Gain laundry detergent. Now, this is the size as $5.50. Grab 1 of the small bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh, 1 bottle of the Arm & Hammer Sensations. This was hands down my favorite Scent Booster Beads when I used them. Oh, they smelled amazing. Then grab 1 box of the Febreze plug-in boosters. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.85 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, if you could do me a huge favor, if you enjoyed the deals, please don't forget to like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what deal video you liked best, because it helps me plan out future deal videos to make sure I'm including items that you enjoy. And of course, don't forget to share the deal video with all your friends and family members. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General coupon deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos, as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pockets deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.